Hi there, Kira here with a Wild Hare Kits unboxing. So the Wild Hare Kits style profile changed a little bit. So if you haven't been on in a while or if you haven't checked it out at all, it's a little bit different. You should check it out. I will leave the link below. You can do the style profile for free just to see what it's like. And then if you decide to place an order, you can place an order at the end, but doing the style profile is completely free. So I did the style profile and picked out things that I, liked in it. And then the last two questions is really the what's different every month that I do my style profile. So it says, tell us about the types of projects you have coming up, and that will help us find that snazzy piece to make your heart go pitter patter. So I said, no special projects or photos, just everyday pics. I'm obsessed with a new box of crayons collection from Schmel. Items from the collection I don't like are the photo corners, enamel dots, tiny alphas, and the shaker stickers. Not that I don't like them, just that they wouldn't be top on my list if I was getting the collection. So it's not that I don't like those items, it's just that those are, not my number one choices, I guess. And then, so I said, you can give me anything else, I love you for. So it says, is there anything else you want your curator to know? And I said, I've been using 6x6 or 6x8 paper pads more than full sheets of paper lately. I'm not opposed to 12x12 papers. I've just been utilizing smaller sheets more. And I don't usually use alphas, but I'd make an exception to the Schmel ones because they're so cute. So that's what I said in my style profile. So here's my kit. We're doing Petite kits this month. So there's two options for the Wild Hare kits. There's a deluxe kit, which if you want to see what comes in a deluxe kit, you can check out my video from last month's unboxing. But this month we're doing Petite kits. And then Allison always writes a little note down here. She said, hi Kira, I hope you love playing with these colors. I agree that the rainbow alphas are too cute to resist. And I'll enjoy seeing you use alpha stickers this month, since I don't usually. Unfortunately, I don't have the 6x6 pads for this collection, so I just sent a few 12x12 papers. I also sent some textured twine flare, and this month a stencil. Enjoy, Allison. So I want to see the stencil because cute. So I have been trying to do more mixed media lately, and hopefully this month you'll see a few videos from me that have kind of a mixed media vibe. So I'm really excited that I got a stencil in this month's kit. So I'll be excited to use that. So that's really fun. And let's just jump into everything else. So in here is some twine. Sorry if you hear my kids. Neither of my kids nap anymore, so I do not have nap times to craft, which is a little unfortunate. So they're always going to be in the background. So I've got some yellow baker's twine this month, which is perfect for this collection, nice and bright. And then this little flare that says now, which is really cute. The Schmel ephemera pack, which there's everything there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up, because I have not seen anything in real life yet. Cute. And then this is super cute, and I'm totally gonna save it to use as a layering piece. I love that pattern. All right, so let's scoot this aside. So then the alphas, like we talked about, so I love these alphas. I love the font of these. I love that they're like rainbow colored. I just think that these are the funnest thickers I've ever seen. So I'm really excited to get these and to be able to use those. So my papers, I got, this is from the Box of Crayons collection as well. This is called Snapshot, and it's got really cute cameras. It would be perfect for fussy cutting on this side. And then a green with white polka dots on the side. And I love the branding strips for Chamel's papers. They're always so cute. So that's really cute. And then this one is a cut apart sheet. So it's got a bunch of cute little cards that you could cut apart, create, nope, say yes often, create today. I love the like little tropical birds and stuff because I think it goes really well with the pictures I take down by the San Antonio River, so I think those are perfect. And then on the reverse side is like an orange polka dot. That's cute too. This one is from Pink Paisley Wild Child collection. This is paper 7. So there's cut aparts on this side, which would be perfect to use on my boy pages. And then this side is like this chevron print. So that's really cute too. So that's my Petite kit this month. And I can't wait to do some process videos and show you guys what I plan to make and use the stencil. That'll be really fun. So yeah, stick around for some process videos that will be up later this month. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.